So yun guys, straight na point na tayo. Merong kanta si Drake na first person shooter ang title featuring J. Cole, no?
Numero UNO, me and Drizzy, this shit like the Super Bowl, man, this shit done it big.
Sinasabi niya dito na siya yung greatest of all time. Kasama niya si J.
Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl, but the difference is it's just two guys.
J. Cole. Tapos kinukompare nila yung sarili nila sa Super Bowl. Pero direct to the point, meron ditong sneak dissing na tungkol kay Kendrick Lamar.
Really rooting for like a kid that had bad from January to November, nigga, it's just too cold.
Kami ng rebatan na nangyari, pero ito yung pinakamalupit, the biggest siguro. Kasi sa Kendrick Lamar, kinanta niya yung kanta na yun, multiple Grammy Awards, award yung nakuha nun. At kinanta niya yung sa Super Bowl. At ito yung paano niya kinanta.
Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any that talk to me they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from.
So yun, kita nyo naman yung ngiti dyan ni Kendrick, no? Pero di pa yan tapos guys, ayun yung karuktong.
Hard as MC, is it K-Dot, is it Aubrey or me? We the big three like we started a league.
Makikita nyo dito, no, na-mention na nila si K-Dot. Marami nang nangyari kasi dyan eh, ilang ko na-explain. Pero sa Super Bowl, K-Dot, D-O-T, sinabi talaga ni Kendrick.
Have you ever watched your enemy down with a poker face? Man, I know y'all boys sleep. Ever since Parma Lee, it's KDOT. Bang!